Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel NCRT Maths Hub. Today in this video we will do worksheet number 21, subject mathematics class 10. So let's begin. Similar triangles. देखिए सिमिलर ट्रायंगल क्या होती है. टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर इफ दे हैव सेम शेप. अगर उनका शेप सेम है देन हम क्या कहेंगे वो ट्रायंगल क्या सिमिलर है. एंड टू ट्रायंगल्स if they have same shape and same size then the triangles will be called as congruent triangles. So now two figures or polygons are similar if they have same shape but they may or may not have the same size. For example, following photos are similar but not same. Not same means they are not congruent. So now let's understand it with an example of triangles. We know that triangle is a closed figure having three sides and three angles. Two triangles are congruent if all the three corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal as shown in figure. So now two figures or polygons are congruent if they have same shape as well as same size. For example, pair of earrings or blank pages of a register. So the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same ratio and their corresponding angles are equal. I am repeating, the corresponding sides of similar triangle are in the same ratio and their corresponding angles are equal. So now we have two triangles AB, ABC and PQR. So you can see angle A will be equals to angle P. The corresponding angle of A is equal to angle P and the corresponding angle of B is corresponding angle Q and corresponding C is equal to the corresponding angle R. So now the sides ratio, that is AB to the ratio PQ, and sides ratio BC to the ratio QR and AC to the PR will be equal. Then triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. We write it as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So now the first question is which of the following are example of congruent figures. आप देख सकते हैं in the first option we have footprints. Those are alike, those are of same shape and same size, so these are congruent to each other. You can see in the part number B you have butterfly but of different size but same shape, so these are similar. And similarly in the option number C you can see we have pyramids but they are of same shape but different size, so these are similar. And similar in the part number 4, these shapes are similar but not congruent, so option number A is congruent. So now the question number 2, we have given for hexagons. So identify the similar hexagons in the following. So आपको similar hexagon find out करने हैं जो similar हों. So आप देख सकते हैं जो ऑप्शन ए और ऑप्शन बी हमारे सिमिलर एक जैसे दिखते हैं. सो ए इज सिमिलर टू बी एंड सिमिलर सी इज सिमिलर टू डी. So now question number 3 and question number 4. So let's do solve question number 3. So आप देख सकते हैं. Now question number 3 we have if a triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar then find the length of PQ and QR. So do the solution. We have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC we have given AB as 7, AC as 12 and BC as 10. Similarly in triangle PQR we have given PR as 18. So the solution. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so therefore their ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. So now AB we have as 7, so put the value of AB here, 7 by PQ, and BC as 10 centimeter, so 10, and QR will remain same, and AC similarly we have given as 12 and PR we have as 18. So now you can see 7 by PQ will be equals to 10 by QR equals to 2 by 3. 2 6 is 12 and 3 6 is 18. So the HCF is 6. So now we have 7 by PQ equals to 10 by QR equals to 2 by 3. So implies 7 by PQ will be equals to 2 by 3 and 10 by QR will be equals to 2 by 3. So implies, or you can say, or 2 PQ equals to 21 or PQ will be 21 by 2. So this becomes 10.5. Similarly 2QR will be equals to 10 into 3 becomes 30 and QR will be 30 by 2 and QR will be 15. Hence we can say length of PQ equals to 10.5 and length of QR equals to 15. So this is all about question number 3. So now question number 4, fill in the blanks. All the circles are similar and circles having same radii are congruent. Keep in mind देखिए अगर सर्कल के रेडियस हमारे पास क्या हो सेम हो जाएंगे देन द सर्कल विल coincide each other. So these circles are known as congruent circles, and all the squares are similar. Keep in mind, all the squares are similar. Similarly, all the equilateral triangles are similar. And now in the part number 4, we are to give two different examples of following, like similar figures and congruent figures. So you can see part number A, similar figures. Two circles are similar to each other. If their radii are same, then we will call as congruent circles. Now in the part number 1, you can see these circles are similar as they have different radii, so these are similar only. So in the part number 2, you can see two squares of different sizes, so but they have different same shape, so these are similar. Now congruent figures, so you can see in part number 1 we have two triangles DEF and PQR, and both have corresponding sides as 4 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So these two triangles have their corresponding sides equal, so these two triangles are called as congruent triangle. Similarly, we have two squares DEFG and PQRS of 2 cm side each, so these two squares are congruent. So this is all about worksheet number 21. So if you learn from this video, then please do subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.